Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy. I am your host. Today's idiom is a piece of cake. Have you ever heard someone say, "Oh, that was a piece of cake"? Were they eating cake? Probably not. Let's find out what it really means. A piece of cake means something is very easy to do. Very simple. No problem at all. Here is the history. In the 1870s, cakes were prizes at competitions. Winning a cake was easy and fun. So people started saying piece of cake to mean easy. Now listen to these examples. I will say each one slowly, then at normal speed. Example 1. The math test was a piece of cake. Slow. The math test was a piece of cake. Normal. The math test was a piece of cake. Example 2. Don't worry about the interview. It'll be a piece of cake. Slow. Don't worry about the interview. It'll be a piece of cake. Normal. Don't worry about the interview. It'll be a piece of cake. Example 3. Cooking pasta is a piece of cake. Cooking pasta is a piece of cake. Now a warning. Do not say a cake piece. That is wrong. Always say a piece of cake. Also, do not use this when you literally want to eat cake. If you are hungry for cake, just say, "I want some cake." Time to practice. Fill in the blank. Driving this car is blank. The answer is, driving this car is a piece of cake. Here are two similar idioms. A walk in the park. That also means very easy. And as easy as pie. Same meaning. So remember, when something is super easy, it is a piece of cake. Now I have a question for you. What is a piece of cake for you? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. New idioms every week. See you next time!